Everyone, good morning. So let's talk about who you really are. If you don't know who you really are, you don't know how to change yourself. So napaka-importante sa buhay natin, alam natin kung sino tayo. Once na malaman mo kung sino ka, anong position mo, anong kalagayan mo sa buhay, then you have to start to change. The moment that you realize who you are, that was the time that you willing to change who you are, and automatically your attitudes towards everything will be changed. Like what said at the videos, that he grew in the slum area, a dirty place, a house that is dirty, the floor is wooden. Once you realize who you are and where you in, and that moment you have realization to yourself that you need change, everything will change for you. But first, you have to change yourself first. You have to change the way you think and accept who you are, and then accept that you need changes in your life. And the moment that you need changes in your life, that was the time that your attitudes towards everything change, and everything will change for you as well. So first, you have to recognize who you really are. Walang ibang tutulong sa'yo, walang ibang magpaparealize sa'yo kung sino ka. Ikaw ang makaka-realize nun kung ano yung meron ka. And the moment na makita mo yon, ma-realize mo kung nasan ka, then change. You have to change who you really are right now, lalo na kung alam mong marami kang dapat baguhin sa status na kung anong meron ka. Be the change of the persons who you really want to become. Decide to change. When you decide to change, everything will follow, because your attitude, your mindset will gonna change for you as well. Hope this simple talk you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.